Goodness gracious, have a look at this. 1993 VP replica of the car that Brock and the Scotsman Cleland raced in the Bathurst Hardy 1000 in 1993. The real deal, the original, sold for around $1.3 million. And here is the next best thing. A replica in a manual 5 litre, the exact livery as that car. It is not that car, but of course, it's the next best thing. Here we go. Every boy's dream. 05. Has got, of course, racing seats, harnesses, custom roll cage, travelled 244 Ks, this manual 5 litre VP V8 replica of the Brock Cleland car in 1993. One of a kind, as far as we're aware. This car is clearly something special. Where do you get it? Of course, Country Wholesale Group at 15 Urella Road in Port Macquarie. cwg.net.au for this amazing, gorgeous Holden replica. And as I say, the real deal, the original, it sold for around $1.3 million. So this vehicle is fantastic value. For all our details, it's on our website, cwg.net.au, and we'll start it up and pop the bonnet and just let you hear it. Nothing beats a V8. So if this is your fancy and you want something special, come and see us at 15 Urella Road in Port Macquarie, cwg.net.au. Inspect this outstanding, one of a kind, and we'll look after you.